Good day, everyone. We are the student of Carlos Silado Memorial State College, Fortune Town, taking the Bachelor of Science in Information System, and we are here to present our system for our capstone project. So first, let me introduce my group members. I, Remelyn Cabrillos, project leader, and Rino E. Lumogang, our programmer, and Whenstone Joyce E. Elera, our documenter. So our research title is a web-based entrance examination with course recommendation. It is a platform to take the entrance examination online. Our system objectives is to provide a paperless way to handle entrance examination. Because the current system of Carlos Silado Memorial State College is a manual system that they have to prepare a bunch of papers to the student to take their entrance examination. And our system make it easier and the paperless way because all they need to do is to log in our system to take the entrance examination. And second is to design and implement a web-based entrance examination with course recommendation platform that is easy and efficient to use. And third is to provide quick and dependable result. So if the student finish their entrance examination, they can view the result quickly if they fail or they pass. So our system scope is to provide an efficient and simple method of administering the incoming freshman student entrance examination by the internet. So our scope will benefit both of the examinees and the examiners. The examiners will no longer be required to prepare a large number of entrance examination papers. Also, the examinees will not be required to bring pens or other supplies, nor they need to attend to school to take the entrance examination. System delimitation. The study is limited to the incoming freshmen of Carlos Silado Memorial State College, Fortune Town, and there's no essay type question. The time limit for the entrance examination is set by the examiners. Examinees are also not permitted to retake the entrance examination. If the exam time limit is reached, the entrance examination will be closed. So our system limitation is only for the incoming freshmen of Carlos Silado Memorial State College, Fortune Town. And there is no essay type. The type of our question is in multiple choice, true or false, and identification. And in each question has a time limit and the student must take it before the time is up.
Login and error handling. If the administrator's password is incorrect, she will be unable to log in the system. Here's the example. And if the admin enters the correct username and password, she will be directed to the home page of the system that shows statistical reports in a pie graph form. Menu overview, home, exam, examinees, accounts, and logout. For menu overview, home menu has a pie graph that reveals statistical report, exam, examiners, accounts, and logout. For the exam, this is where the exam published, so the examiners or the student who will take the exam can answer. For the examinees menu, this is where we can see the list of all the students who have taken the exam, and also we can see the result if they pass or fail. For accounts, this is where we can see the person who used the system. Logout menu, if the work is completed and done, you can select logout and it will make the user out of the system. Data entry in the account menu. This is where the admin create account for the examiner. The examiner cannot make their own account unless they will receive the authorization came from the admin. Here's the example on how to create account for the examiner. Click the button Add New User. Put username. This is the temporary password of the examiner. First name, middle name, and last name. And select the role for the examiner. Data entry in the exam. This is where we can see all the exam that is created and published. Data entry in the exam. This where they input the examiner's duty, like making exam and monitor the result of the exam. Examinees menu. As you have clicked that menu, you are able to see who passed or failed in the entrance examination, and also the mistake of the examinee when they have taken the exam. Example on how to make the exam. First, click the exam menu. Then you will go to the page where you can see create new exam. Then click it and give title for the exam. Let's name it Kamsi Fortune Town MCFT Entrance Exam. You must have first to give instruction for the examinees. Select add item, select instruction, type the instruction you want to give for the examinees. You can set the time. After you are finished to give instruction, you can now proceed to add item question. Click add item, select question, example question. Select answer type. You can select multiple choice, true or false, or identification. Let's select it, identification. And set correct answer. Click set button. And after the long process of making the exam and you have secured all the questions, you can click the publish button to make the exam publish.
For our client-side demo, client login or menu overview. Examinees cannot log in if they did not finish to fulfill all the information needed. For our menu overview, they will directly go to the entrance exam title. Before you click the Take button, make sure you are ready to take the entrance examination. As you can see, there is a time given in the instruction. As you finish reading it, you can click the Go button to proceed to the questions exam. So make sure to select your best choice of answer before you click the Submit button. Each questions, there is a time limit given by the examiner. There are no next and back buttons on the page, so make sure to respond immediately. And also, there is a course recommendation in our system. The color shows the available courses in Kamsi Fortune Town. As you finish taking the entrance examination, you can see if you pass or fail.
Thank you. Have a nice day.